Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the last video, we talked about the background and basic functions of data analysis. In this episode, we will explain the practical operation of data analysis for some scenarios with practical business value. Firstly, let's explain two one-time special analyses, complete analysis and YOY audit trail analysis. Complete analysis, it is actually the result of simultaneously analyzing entity, account, audit trail, and interco analysis. This analysis is aimed at quickly analyzing report items with relatively simple underlying business data structures, without multiple operations in hierarchical analysis. Let's demonstrate the actual operation in the test system. Open the balance sheet with deployed data analysis, select the monetary fund items, right-click and choose Complete Analysis under Data Analysis. We can see the data distribution of monetary fund on the entity and account levels. Since complete analysis involves 4 types of analyses at once, it may not be suitable for report items with complex underlying business data, such as accounts receivable. Complete analysis may generate a very large report, resulting in an increased difficulty in data analysis. Therefore, it is not recommended to use complete analysis. YOY audit trail analysis, as the name suggests, it shows the audit trail distribution of a certain report item for each month within a year. This analysis is mainly aimed at report items with complex data sources, and can quickly generate parallel analysis results for time dimension and audit trail dimension. The most typical application scenario is to analyze the changes in long-term equity investment data under the equity method, especially in groups where equity changes frequently. This special analysis has its unique value. Let's perform YOY audit trail analysis on the long-term equity investment report item in the balance sheet. From the analysis results, we can see the equity change situation in January, February, and March at the group level, and we can also see that there was a journal entry adjustment in March. We can then use entity analysis to further view the specific distribution of equity changes at the entity level, or check which entity made the journal entry adjustment, etc., in order to further judge whether the corresponding business data is reasonable. Next, we will explain several practical business scenarios for the comprehensive application of data analysis. 1. Balance check. For balance check, the most typical check is total assets equals total liabilities plus owner's equity. Therefore, we also perform this operation in the system. In the deployed balance sheet with data analysis, first check whether the group level assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity. After performing subtraction testing, we find that there is indeed a balance problem. Then, select both the total assets and total liabilities plus owner's equity items and right-click to choose hierarchical analysis, entity analysis. The analysis results show the data of all unit-level assets and total liabilities plus owner's equity belonging to the group. Then we can quickly locate all units with differences by using a difference formula. After selecting the data with balance problems and performing audit clue analysis, we can determine whether the balance problem comes from the front-end accounting system or journal entry adjustments or other reasons. Two. Triangular debt check. We select the cons after column data of accounts receivable, prepayments, other receivables, accounts payable, advance payment, and other payables in the balance sheet, and then perform hierarchical analysis, interco analysis. The analysis result is a list of all trading partners with balances on 6 types of transaction accounts after offsetting, as well as the balances of these trading partners on these 6 types of transaction accounts. We can observe or use an Excel formula to determine whether there are trading partners who have both asset and liability accounts at the group level. We can see that trading partner 92748 does indeed have both debt and credit relationships with internal units of the group. By selecting the corresponding data items of debts and credits and performing entity analysis, we can see the internal company of the group that have problems with debts and credits with this trading partner. Then we can use aging analysis to decide whether to clear up such triangular debt by triangle set-off method. 3. Other reconciliation checks. There are many situations in actual business scenarios that require reconciliation checks. For example, Deferred tax assets and deferred income tax liabilities theoretically should be offset when they exist in the same company. Therefore, we can perform reconciliation checks for this item at the group level by selecting deferred tax assets and deferred income tax liabilities, and then performing hierarchical analysis, entity analysis. Then we can check whether deferred income tax assets and liabilities exist concurrently in the same company.